Every Christmas season, the band starts acting strange. Your noise floor climbs. HF turns into a wall of static. FT8 looks like a Christmas tree. Your rig sounds broken, but you check every cable, every antenna, and every ground, and nothing makes sense until you step outside and see it. A neighborhood glowing brighter than Rockefeller Center. Hey there, Merry Christmas. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Thanks for being here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Certainly helps the channel continue to grow. And let me say this right up front. I love Christmas lights. I love the decorations, the colors, the season, and the nostalgia. I'm certainly not anti-Christmas, and I'm certainly not anti-lights. I'm not anti-holiday cheer, but I am against cheap LED garbage that destroys radio. Because the truth is, Christmas lights are killing ham radio, but only the cheap ones. Not the old school incandescent bulbs. Not the high quality LED screens with proper filtering. I'm talking about the $9.99 to $19.99 sets that are flooding Amazon, Walmart, Dollar General, bargain bins everywhere. The ones built with zero filtering, no shielding, I'm trying to think, the cheapest switching power supplies imaginable, and absolutely no RFI compliance. These aren't lights. They're accidental transmitters blasting broadband noise across the spectrum. Cheap LEDs act like an entire neighborhood's worth of QRM. HF will get wiped out. Shortwave disappears. AM broadcast gets noisy. Digital modes get hammered. Even VHF noise can spike in bad cases. One house can affect an entire block. Multiply that by December, and you get the disaster we live through every year. And the worst part, December is prime emergency communication season. Winter storms, power outages, icy roads, tornado outbreaks here in the south, travel emergencies, Skywarn activations, holiday structure fires. These are the moments ham radio has to work. But cheap holiday decor buries the airwaves in static. Now, I'm not blaming Christmas, but I am blaming cheap manufacturing. People want pretty lights, and that's great. But the companies making this stuff, they don't care about RFI. They don't care about the FCC. They don't care about your antenna or your receiver. And unless we push back, this problem only grows. That's why today's video is sponsored by World Radio League, because World Radio League is about real operating, real skill, and real radio performance. And nothing kills performance like a rising noise floor. If you want to join competitions, train your operating skills, and get better at weak signal work, contesting, and real-world communications, join World Radio League. And yes, I do have a coupon code. It's HamShackTV. Before I get into the coupon code, let me tell you, World Radio League is completely free for the basic logging and that kind of stuff. There are some really, really cool advanced features such as QRZ integration, log with world integration, all those things. Those do require premium membership. And my coupon code HamShackTV will get you 10% off those great prices on those premium memberships. But at the end of the day, I love Christmas. I love the lights, but I also love a ham radio. And it's time we start talking about how cheap LEDs are poisoning the RF environment, because the season of peace, light, and family shouldn't also be the season where the airwaves die under noise. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit, even through the static. Guys, Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for tuning in to HamShackTV. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know, in your neighborhood, are you hearing static? You think it's caused by cheap LED Christmas lights? Let me know. I'm very curious about that. 73s, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Merry Christmas. AA4WX. WSCB 693.